Hi guys! So I am coming at you tonight with my Boxycharm for the month of April. Don't have any makeup on my face. It's already like 11:40 at night and I just don't feel like putting makeup on. I'm just gonna say it. Usually even late at night I don't mind putting makeup on. I don't feel like wasting makeup for one quick little video because let's face it, these videos are pretty quick and I don't know, I'm hoping I'm not disappointed. The last several months I feel like I've been at least somewhat disappointed in each of my boxes. Before I was like truly signed up, the full-time subscription, every box I got I was like so excited for. I got stuff I was like really excited about, and as soon as I got my fiance to get me the subscription for Christmas, I've been disappointed and I don't understand why. And I told him that tonight and I was like, you're probably going to want to cancel because I've been, disappointed the last few months. And he goes, well, why don't we? And I was like, because as soon as we cancel, they'll start putting good stuff in the boxes again. I just feel like they're putting more attention to like the larger boxes that they have, and I guess I get that, but at the same time, not everybody can afford that. Like, $25 is pricey for a subscription box, in my opinion. I don't think I would pay $50, even if I could afford it, just to get, like, a few extra products, So, I don't know, that's just my 2 cents. But yeah, I'm going to scoot that back a little bit. So let's see what we got in this box, because the last few have been a little disappointing. Alright, so I pulled the card out. The theme is Festival Vibes. Alright, so right off the bat, I am seeing 3 sheet masks. They are by Tony Moly. One is a purifying cactus sheet mask, one is a calming hemp sheet mask, and one is illuminating lotus sheet mask. They're all really cute. I don't mind sheet masks, they're not like my all-time favorite, but at the same time, especially during this quarantine, I could use some. You guys have seen all the ones that I have a lot. I've got a lot of, like clay masks and gel masks and face masks, like sheet masks, and stuff like that. I have like a whole collection, but I actually already like packed them up so they're not with me. So these can come in handy while we're in this quarantine. I may as well pamper myself, right? Do my skincare stuff, have a night where I put a sheet mask on, do my nails, all that fun stuff. So I'll let that one pass. There's a card in here for the makeup eraser, but I'm not seeing the makeup eraser in this box. But yeah, I've never tried one of these. Oh, I guess it's to get 20% off of a purchase of a makeup eraser. So that's what this card is for. It's valid from April 1st through May 8th. I probably won't buy one. Like, if I got one in a box, I would use it. But I don't think I would purchase one. I don't know. The next thing I see is this Dose of Colors Lip It Up Satin Lipstick. It looks like the shade is Butterscotch. It's really pretty packaging. Ooh. That's the shade. That's like my skin color. I was smelling it. I don't think... I would not like this at all. I was kind of excited for this lipstick, and it's like my skin tone. I don't like that. I don't want a super duper pale lipstick. This would look good on somebody either way paler than me or someone much darker than me. I just don't see this working for me, so I don't even really want to swatch it, which really sucks. Like, I was really hoping this would be a really pretty berry color or pink or purple or red, but no. Can I use it as a concealer? Because it looks like a concealer. Well, that kind of stinks. That's a good product, I'm sure. It's just not the right color for me. Now I see these Boxycharm and Hank and Henry again. It's an exclusive twin pack of sponges. They're really cute green colors, so you get a small one and a normal size one. I don't mind having extra sponges on hand, but again, like 2 boxes back, I think, I got that set of Luxie sponges, so I just feel like, again, like, it's like I don't mind getting sponges once in a while or brushes once in a while, but I don't want them every like couple of boxes. You know what I mean? Like, again, it's nice to have these on hand because you do have to get rid of your sponges after so long. So it's good to have some like ready to go and you don't have to purchase some when you need them. But I'd rather just get the makeup products. So it's okay. All right. Now I see this Professional Smoothing Face Primer to minimize the look of pores. I don't think I've ever actually tried the Professional before. I've always used my number 7 Pore Minimizing Primer, or the Baby Skin, I think it is. But I've never tried the Professional one, so I'm excited for this because I do like using a pore minimizing primer around my nose, sometimes like in my T-zone and then like down here, even sometimes a little farther out on my cheeks because of my pores. But, so that's a nice product. Oh, there's like a little booklet in here. Oh, okay, it's just showing like where you can use it and stuff, which, I mean, we can put it wherever we want. So that's cool. I'm excited for this. I don't necessarily need it right now because I still have one. Like, I use my number 7 one all the time, but I think I am finally getting low on it because I use it in conjunction with my Too Faced one a lot, so that's nice, I guess. Alright, the last product is probably the thing I'm most excited for in this box. It is this Elemis Superfood Sika Calm Hydration Juice Super Hydration Gel Super Hydratant. So that's exciting. So it says this cooling hydrator packed with fruit, waters, and antioxidant-rich Sika helps to visibly calm skin. Directions: apply every morning to cleansed skin. If contact with eyes occurs, rinse well. And it's just this really cool green color. I don't know if it's like the bottle that's that color. Yeah, it's the bottle. Doesn't really smell like anything, so that's good. Okay, so that's everything that was in my box. Now we shall read off the prices. So for the Benefit Professional Primer, this is $32. Wow, that's pricey for a little primer. The Elemis Superfood Sika Calm Hydration Juice is $48. I feel like this Elemis brand is pretty pricey. I did get an Elemis product several boxes back. I think it was a serum. I can't remember. I'll have to go back and look. I don't think I've tried it yet, but I might try this tonight before bed just because I'm not the kind of person that can wake up and just do my skincare in like the morning. I gotta wait a while to do stuff, but I might test it out tonight just to see how I like it. Yeah, $48 for this bad boy. Okay, the Hank & Henry sponges are $20. So to me, that's pricey for some sponges, especially just 2 of them. The Dose of Colors Lip It Up Satin Lipstick is $17. It's such a shame they sent me like one that's like my exact skin tone almost. I mean, I could try it on, but it's not gonna look good. Like, I don't even want to swatch it because I can already tell it's not gonna be a color I'm gonna like. If it was any other color, it could be crazy green, I would try it. But no, it would just like wash me out. Okay, and the 3 Tony Moly face masks are $9 each. So I'm using my phone at the moment, so I can't calculate all of that in my head because I'm not good at math. So there you go. But yeah, I mean, not the most exciting box, but not the most disappointing box I've ever had either. So I don't know. I wish, like, Boxycharm would hear us, because I feel like a lot of people that have been doing their Boxycharm boxes, you know, are kind of saying the same thing about the base box, is like they're kind of disappointed in what they've been getting compared to what they used to get. I mean, I switched over from Ipsy to this because you're supposed to be getting much better products. And I mean, yes, you still are getting better products than what you're getting in Ipsy, but for the price point, I don't know. You know, again, like, send me good stuff like this, but don't just send me skincare either, because several of my boxes just from this year have been very, very, very skincare heavy. While I don't mind that, because I don't mind getting very expensive skincare in a $25 box, because I would never pay like $48 for this by itself. I also, like, I'm paying for a makeup box, so send me some good makeup, you know, and please don't send me skin tone colored lipsticks anymore, because I won't use them. That really makes me sad. The packaging is so pretty, the dose of colors, like, brand is a really nice brand. I got a really pretty liquid lipstick from them back in either November or December when I did like the 3-month box of Boxycharm. It was a really pretty red color, so I'm so sad about that. But yeah, I'm not super upset about this box. I just wish it was like kind of like what it used to be. Do I want an eyeshadow palette in every single box? No, but it's nice to see an eyeshadow palette in the boxes, because I feel like typically you're getting your money's worth when you're at least getting like a full ass eyeshadow palette. You know what I mean? But what you gonna do? I'm gonna continue to get Boxycharm, at least for the rest of the year, because it was my Christmas present. If they start getting better, or like they used to be, maybe I could talk my fiance into letting me get it as my Christmas gift again, like this year, for next year. Otherwise, I mean, once December hits, maybe I will cancel and I just won't get any more subscription boxes for a while. I don't know. I like getting them, and it has helped, like, with me not going to the store and buying makeup, because I'm getting makeup / a lot of skincare monthly now, so I don't have to worry about anytime I go to Target. Like, I'm not looking at makeup like I used to. Every once in a while I glance at stuff, but like, even now I just don't see much of a need for it. So that's what I like about getting these boxes for. And my fiance likes it because when we go to Target, I'm not always like, let's look at the makeup, because, you know, guys hate that stuff, and this is saving him from having to buy a bunch of makeup at Target all the time. So anyway, I'm just rambling now. It's my 13 minutes worth of that. So let me know if you guys get Boxycharm, or do you still get Ipsy? Are you getting a different subscription box? Do you have the Boxy Luxe, or whatever it's called? Or do you have like the Ipsy Plus, or whatever that's called? Let me know what you guys got in your box, if you're thinking about getting it, if you're holding off to see if they get better products again, or what. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. And if you feel like sticking around and watching more of my videos, I do a lot of purse videos on this channel, because let's face it, I'm addicted to purses. I like switching purses. I like showing you guys what's in my purse and stuff like that. If you feel like seeing videos like that, subscribe, like the videos, and stick around, because there's more to come. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.